The best-selling smart hula hoop isn't always the best for you. That's what most people don't realize. They all look the same online, same photos, same claims, same burn 600 calories promise. But when you actually use them, the differences are huge. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones truly deliver. Product number 1, ARGS 28-Link Infinity Hoop. First up is the ARGS 28-Link Infinity Hoop, priced at $23.79. What caught my eye was its wide size range, from 17 to 53 inches thanks to 28 detachable knots. If you want a customizable fit that adapts as you lose weight, this is worth a serious look. It's made of ABS plastic, which feels sturdy, and the brand promises 1-year support. With over 2,000 sold last month, it's clearly popular. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to tighten the hoop as your waist shrinks keeps resistance consistent, so your workouts stay effective. The calorie burn claim of up to 600 in 30-45 minutes lines up with real user reports, not exaggerated. Here's the thing though, once you snap them in properly, they stay put. It just takes a little patience during setup. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants flexibility and comfort. Skip this one if you need something ultra quiet. The plastic does make a soft clicking sound when moving. For under $25, it's a solid entry point. Product number 2, J. Loibao 2632-Link Hoop. Now, if ARGS 28 links felt overwhelming, the J. Loibao 2632-Link Hoop at $25.43 offers a simpler setup. It ranges from 30 to 56 inches, ideal for most adults, and uses eco-friendly ABS plastic that feels tough but lightweight. Over 1,000 sold last month shows it's gaining traction. The 0.96 kg weight gives enough resistance without being too heavy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The improved connection system means fewer interruptions mid-workout. You can actually focus on your form instead of readjusting. The 600-calorie burn claim holds up based on consistent 30-45 minute sessions. Now, some users mention the color fades slightly after heavy sweat exposure. Here's the thing though, it doesn't affect performance at all. But for function, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, durable hoop that won't fall apart. Skip this one if you're over 56 inches in waist size, it won't fit. At this price, it's a smart upgrade from cheaper knockoffs. Product number 3, JKSHMYT 24-Link Budget Hoop. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. The JKSHMYT 24-Link Hoop costs just $19.07, the cheapest here, and still delivers solid performance. It fits waists from 26 to 47 inches and includes a 0.7 lb gravity ball for added resistance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed for beginners who want results without overspending. The simplified structure makes it easy to assemble, and the ABS plastic feels surprisingly durable. You're still getting that 700-calorie burn potential with daily 30-minute use. Now, some reviewers said the hoop can feel a bit light during intense sessions. Here's the thing though, that's actually better for new users who need to build confidence first. It's not meant for advanced training, but for steady progress, perfect. This is perfect for you if you're trying hula hooping for the first time and don't want to commit to a high price. Skip this one if your plus size, 47 inches, might not be enough. For under $20, it's an unbeatable starter pick. Product number 4, JKSHMYT 30-Link Plus Size Hoop. Now, if the previous JKSHMYT model was too small, this 30-link version expands everything literally. At $25.43, it supports up to 58 inches, making it one of the few truly plus-size friendly options. It weighs 2.12 pounds with a 0.8 lb gravity ball, giving stronger resistance for more advanced workouts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The extra links mean it won't dig into your sides or slip, which is a huge pain point for larger users. The fat-burning focus on waist, hips, and glutes is backed by the 700-calorie claim, realistic for consistent use. Now, some people found the hooks a bit tricky to connect at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, they lock tightly and stay secure. It just takes a little practice. This is perfect for you if you're plus size or prefer a heavier, more intense workout. Skip this one if you want something portable, it's bulkier than others. For the size and weight, it's excellent value. Product number 5, J. Loibao Sweat Belt Combo. Finally, if you're serious about maximizing results, the J. Loibao Sweat Belt Combo at $33.06 includes both a 51-inch hoop and a waist trainer. It's the most complete package here, with 27 links and a focus on thermogenic sweating. Over 800 sold last month shows fitness enthusiasts are paying attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The waist trainer increases core temperature, which may boost calorie burn. Some users report up to 800 calories in 30 minutes when combined. The ABS build is top tier and the 1-year support adds peace of mind. Now, some complain the belt feels tight at first. Here's the thing though, that's normal with compression gear. Just ease into it. Also, the gravity ball can swing hard, keep space around you. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one system and don't mind a higher price. Skip this one if you're sensitive to tight clothing or have back issues. For the extras, it's the most advanced option here. So which smart hula hoop should you buy? If you're on a budget, go with JKSHMYT's 24-link model. Need plus-size support? The 30-link version wins. Want simplicity and durability? J. Loibao's 2632-link is reliable. For full adjustability, ARGS delivers. And if you want maximum results with the sweat belt, J. Loibao's combo is the premium pick. Remember, the best one isn't the most popular, it's the one that fits your body and goals.